Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Blended BeautyLou. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I figured we'd do a 2021 soft glam makeup tutorial. So if you're ready to get into it, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna be taking my Beat Bib. I love this thing. It really does come in handy when it comes to makeup application, so I don't get anything on my clothes. It doesn't need to be washed, so don't be judging your girl. I've already done my brows off camera. We're gonna be going in to prime my lids with the P.Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumour 2. And I'm just going to be placing it in the small little dots on both eyelids. I don't apply a lot, just enough to cover. I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer Sponge. It's already damp, so I'm just using that to blend out the primer. I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow brush from Sephora. I've had it for quite a while. I'm going to be dipping into the shade Diamond Dog by Urban Decay, which is a nice brown shade, and it gives you that little bit of shimmer as well. It's a great color for a neutral look. I'm going to begin placing it on my lid and then blending it up into my crease. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other lid as well. As I'm dipping my brush back into the product, I'm just picking up a little bit of color. Again, since we're going for a neutral look, we don't want to be too heavy-handed. Alright, after I've got it to my liking, we're going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to clean up the excess fallout from under my eyes using this wipe. Alright, now that we've taken care of that, I'm going to go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love to use this stuff because it's really smoothing onto the skin. It does keep my foundation in place all day. And it just grips to the foundation. So I just apply that in a circular motion on my face. I bring it down to my neck a little bit. Now I'm going to be taking my makeup sponge. I'm just going to set it with some setting spray. And then I'm going to go in with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I'm in the shade Tahoe. And I just apply that evenly to my face. I love this foundation because it's just really pretty onto the skin. You don't have to be too heavy-handed or apply a whole lot to get the coverage that you need. I'm going to be taking my sponge and just blending that all in. Okay, once I've got it to my liking, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer Pen. I'm going to use this pen to conceal under my eyes, on my forehead, my cupid's bow, and under my chin. I'm in the shade Medium 32N. I do like the way this concealer is made. I do like that paintbrush type of effect to it, but I do wish it was in more of a bigger tube like the other ones. I do like to use a dome applicator when I do apply my concealer. I'm going to take that cameo sponge again, and I'm just going to wet it a little bit, and I'm going to begin blending in that concealer. Once I've got that all blended in, I'm going to go in with the Halo Glow e.l.f. setting powder, and I believe I'm in the shade Medium. This powder sets everything in place very well, and it wipes away easily. I'm just setting under my eyes. I'm going to be setting on my forehead. I'm also going to be setting my cupid's bow and under my chin. All the places that I've applied concealer. I'm also going in to set the corners of my mouth, because there, when I do smile, it's going to crease, so I want to avoid that a little bit. Next, I'm going with the True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. I'm going to be taking the middle shade there. I'm going to take this nice powder brush. Look at me dropping everything. I'm going to lightly dip it into the powder and tap the excess off, and I'm going to begin to contour my cheekbones. I'm also going to be contouring my forehead and also around my face, as far as like my chin, just to give my face a little bit more dimension. I'm also going to be taking that same powder and going to be contouring my nose. Alright, I'm going to go back in using that e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to conceal the bridge of my nose. And I'm taking that e.l.f. sponge as well again and blending it in. Alright, and then I'm going to dip it back into the powder, apply that to the bridge of my nose. And I'm also going to conceal a little bit more under my eyes. Alright, I'm going to take this Morphe M536 brush to wipe away the setting powder. This brush is so lightweight and it's so easy to just dust the powder off. All right, I'm going back in to contour my cheekbones just a little bit more just to get it to my liking. They're looking good. Alright guys, next I'm going in for highlight using the Morphe M532 brush. I'm just applying a little setting spray to the tip of the brush. I'm going to dip it into the highlight. I'm going to be using the Fresco Pot by Becca Cosmetics. Sorry guys, I had it upside down. This highlight is so pretty. It gives you like that nice golden glow. I'm just applying it to my cheekbones. I'm also going to apply it to my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow. Look at that glow, guys. So pretty. Alright, now for lips, I'm going in with 2 liquid lipsticks by Kat Von D. We're going to go in with the shades Bow and Arrow and also with Sanctuary. I take the darker shade to line my lips, and then I apply the lighter shade on the insides of my lips. These 2 shades together are going to give us that nice ombre effect. After I'm done applying the inner shade, I'm going to blot my lips together to blend everything. Alright guys, I'm loving the lip combo. Gotta clean it up just a little bit. Next, we're going to go in with lashes. We're going to be using the Lash Freak Mascara by Urban Decay. This has became a holy grail product for me when it comes to mascaras. I don't apply lashes. I'm not a lash girl. I always reach for mascara. And this one just gives me the right amount of length and also volume. I apply 2 coats to each lash or lashes. Look at that, guys. Look at that volume. Look at that length. Yes, this is all you need, trust me. Just cleaning up a little bit more. Sometimes these liquid lipsticks can be a little bit tricky. I'm just applying a little bit more highlight, especially to my Cupid's bow. Alright guys, to set my face, I'm going to be using the Morphe setting spray. I'm going to be taking my fan just to dry it down a bit. I'm going to be using another setting spray too, just to make sure everything is in place and not going to move. This is the new Professional Super Setter setting spray. This is going to help keep my makeup intact all day. I'm just fanning again to get it dried down. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you're liking it. Very neutral, very pretty, very simple, but yet flawless. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. Let me know what you're thinking. Yes, I really am liking it. This is my 2021 soft glam look. I kept everything very neutral, very warm, and I really like it. This is my go-to look when, you know, I just want to have my face be for the day if I'm in the house. If I really kind of don't really feel like doing a whole bunch of makeup on my face, you know, as far as like doing a really unique eye look, I just go for the neutral look. And yeah, this is what I've been rocking lately, and I really like it. So leave me a comment. Let me know if you guys ever use any of these products, if you plan to use these products in the future. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials like this. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.